Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as you have read by the title that today we are going to do a makeup haul. I have bought this makeup during quarantine and I thought why not show you guys a haul because everyone loves haul and who doesn't. So without any further ado, let's get started, okay? So the first item is this foundation. This is a Lakme Absolute foundation. It's a mousse foundation and it's in the shade Ivory Fair 01 and it retails for 800 rupees. I will link it in the description below if I find it. And it comes in this round packaging, inside of which you get a plastic thing to cover up the foundation. Then this is the foundation. I'll just show you guys. You might not understand how it looks like because the lights are falling on it, but yeah, this is how the foundation looks, if you can see it properly. Yep. Now the second thing that I am going to show you is this primer. This is a Studio West primer. You cannot get it in online stores. You have to visit your nearby West Side store to buy this, but I absolutely adore this primer because it's a very beautiful primer, holds your makeup and it's very smooth, and it retails for I guess 5.95, and it's very transparent, so you can see it's really transparent. You cannot actually see it, but it's really transparent. So it is really transparent, and I absolutely love this primer because I have a very dry skin and it does wonders on my skin when I'm wearing makeup, of course. So that's why I really like this primer. But the only con of this product is that you cannot order it online or anywhere. You have to visit the West Side store and only there you can get this. So yeah, the second product is this. The third product is a lip shade, and this is the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink lip shade. It's in the shade the shade is not written here, but Voyager, Voyager 50. It's the shade name is that, and I'll again link it down below if I find it. And it's a beautiful maroon kind of shade. It's a very beautiful maroon shade. I'll quickly open my watch before swatching this because it's a white watch and I of course don't want to ruin it. So yeah, let me just open my watch. Yeah, it's a beautiful maroon shade. I'll just show you guys. This is the swatch. This is how the swatch looks like. It's very matte, so it is transfer proof, waterproof. You can only remove it by using a makeup remover, otherwise it doesn't transfer if you eat anything, or it just doesn't go when you wash it off. And I really like this shade, but the only con to it is like I don't like this matte products, but according to what it claims, it's a very good product and I absolutely love this. Again, if I find this, I'll link it down below, of course, for you guys. So the second product was that. Moving on to the third product is a detan pack. It's in the skincare category. I use this O3 Professional detan pack. This is of 300 grams and retails for rupees 1350, and yeah, it is amazing. You get this bottle, it's a huge quantity, and my entire family uses this product and everybody loves this. And as you can see, we have used a lot of it because we absolutely love this product, and it came a few days back, so yeah, we used a lot of it. And yeah, this product is very good if you want to remove tan from your skin or face, hands, wherever. You can apply this and I'm sure it will help you. थोड़ा जलता है when you apply this, but after that it is a very good product and I love this. I always order this. Again, if I find it, then I'll link it down in the description below. So this was the fourth product. Yeah. So after this, I bought this facial pack. I've got this facial pack for my mom. Of course, I don't use a facial pack, but my mom wanted me to order this for her, so I've ordered this for her, and she has used it for one time, so it looks like this. But I'll just say you what all it has. It has a massage cream, an activator, a cleansing scrub, and a mask. And yeah, these are the 4 pouches. You can use it approximately 2 or 3 times, and I wanted to give you a nice review on this product before I show it to you. So my mom said that it is very nice, but she prefers the diamond one more. But this is also nice, but she personally prefers the diamond one more. So yeah, this is the 5th or 6th product, and this retails for rupees 285. Not that expensive, but yeah, works amazing. So this is the 5th or 6th product. The 7th product is again this. This is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. It's in the shade Wine and Dine 06. I have no idea how much this retails for because it's not written here and I don't remember. But if I find it, I'll link it in the description below. This is a very beautiful chocolate shade. If you like to wear very deep brown shade, you can of course use this. I'll just swatch it right over here. As you can see that it is a beautiful chocolate brown color. So if you love wearing this brown color, you can wear this. It's an amazing color. It quite matches my other color, this one, but I assure you these are both different colors, and I do love both of these colors. And yeah, I really love this product, but the only con to this is that I don't wear this brown color, but I did not quite see the shade when I was ordering this. I loved it, so I bought it, but now my sister uses it and she loves it, and I do love it and wear sometimes. So yeah, this was the product. Now I've got an eyebrow pencil. This one is from the company Miss Claire, and it's in the shade it's dark brown 02 shade. The company is Miss Claire. I don't remember the price, but I will of course link it down below. And it comes with a spoolie type thing where you can just brush your eyebrows, so it's really good. It doesn't comes with a sharpener onto it, and this is how it looks. Oh god, it's actually not sharpened, so this is how it looks. So it's a very beautiful dark brown color. You can absolutely fill your eyebrows with this. I don't fill my eyebrows that much, but again I've ordered this for my sister, so she said that she absolutely loved this. And it's a waterproof eyebrow pencil, so that's a good point to it, because of course if it rains and all, you don't want your makeup to pour down from your face. So yeah, the only con to this is that it doesn't comes with a sharpener, but everybody has a sharpener in their house, so I guess you can work with that. So this is the product. The next product, well, not makeup exactly, but again skincare types. It's a clean and clear foaming face wash. I love this, so I ordered this. I have 2 big bottles, and I've ordered this so that I can keep in my wash basin, so I can wash my face continuously, and not continuously, but yeah. And it retails for rupees 70. It's an amazing face wash. I've been using it for a long period of time, and I absolutely love this and the Neutrogena face wash I use, and I love both of these products. So this was another product. Okay, so another lip shade. So this is the lip shade from Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. Okay, you can use this in your cheek too. I'll just use it and show you to you guys. This is in the shade Crimson Silk. It's a beautiful red color. Yeah, the only con to it is that it's not matte, but I still love this. You can apply it in your cheeks too. I will apply, but not here. If you want to see me applying this in my cheek, then do comment down below, and also follow me on my Instagram, which will be given right over here on or in the description below. And yeah, this is how it looks. This is the color, and it's in the shade Crimson Silk. Again, I don't know how much it costs, but I think it's around 5 to 600. And yeah, I love this shade and this color, but it's not matte, so when you eat something or drink something, of course it will transfer, and it does not removes by water, but if you like wipe your face, then I guess it will just come off. Okay, so the last and final product is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Wet n Wild is a very underrated product according to me, guys. I love their product. I have been using their eyeshadow and highlighter a lot, so I really love their palette. As you can see, it's very new, and it retails for rupees 499, and this is in the shade it's not written over here, but of course I will link it down below if I find this. I will surely link it down below if I find this. And the shade is not given here, but I remember it's for 499 rupees. So this is how it looks. It comes in beautiful packaging. This is plastic, this is also plastic, hard plastic, and it opens like this, and these are the shades, if you can see. I absolutely love these three colors, so I'll just swatch and show it to you guys. I'm swatching these two colors so you can understand the pigmentation. I swatched very little, but I don't know where to show it to you guys. I'll just show it over here. This is the blue shade, this is the green shade, and the pigmentation to this is amazing. So when I just do this, it blends quite nicely. Yeah, it will blend quite nicely because I'm doing it with my hands, so it looks like it's not blending, but the pigmentation is very good, very amazing. I love how the pigmentation is, how the colors are. It has such vibrant colors, and this shade you can also use as a highlighter. So yeah, you can use it as a highlighter. So I love palettes which can also come in handy for highlighters and other stuff. I have already applied highlighter, but I'll still show it to you guys. So you can see how my face is highlighting after I have used this eyeshadow as a highlighter. So yeah, I absolutely love this product, and I will of course link it down below again. And yeah, this is the end of our video, the end of our haul. So if you like my video, do like, share, comment what you want the next video on to be, and subscribe my channel and turn on the notification so that every time I post a video you get notified. Love you guys, bye.